Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will look into the differences between traditional budgeting and zero-based budgeting. Budgeting can be understood as the process of creating a budget, which is nothing but a quantitative statement of incomes and expenses, created and approved, for a specific period, which should be followed during that period, with the aim of achieving the objective. Traditional budgeting incorporates the previous year expenditure in the new budget proposal and only increments are a matter of debate. On the other hand, zero-based budgeting is based on the assumption that every rupee of the expenditure should be justified. So, let's look into the basic differences between traditional budgeting and zero-based budgeting in a tabular form. Difference number 1. Traditional budgeting refers to the process of planning and budgeting in which previous year's budget is taken as a base to prepare a budget. On the other hand, zero-based budgeting is a technique of budgeting, whereby, each time the budget is created, the activities are re-evaluated and thus started from scratch. Number 2. The traditional budgeting stresses on the former expenditure level. On the contrary, zero-based budgeting concentrates on making a new economic proposal whenever the budget is set. Number 3. Traditional budgeting is accounting-oriented, as it works on the basic cost accounting principles. As against this, the zero-based budgeting process is decision-oriented. Number 4. In the preparation of the traditional budget, justification of the existing project is not at all required. In contrast, in zero-based budgeting, the justification of the existing and proposed project is required, taking into account the cost and benefit. Number 5. In traditional budgeting, the decision on why a particular amount is spent on a decision unit is taken by the top management. Unlike zero-based budgeting, the decision regarding the spending a specified sum on a decision unit is on the managers. Number 6. In traditional budgeting, the primary reference is made to previous spending level, followed by demand for inflation and new programs, as opposed, in zero-based budgeting, a decision unit is split into decision packages which are comprehensive in nature and then they are prioritized on the basis of their relevance, to facilitate top management to concentrate on the decision packages only, which got preference over others. Number 7. When it comes to clarity and responsiveness, zero-based budgeting is better than traditional budgeting. And, difference number 8, traditional budgeting follows a routine approach, whereas zero-based budgeting follows a straightforward approach. One of the major drawbacks of traditional budgeting is that the managers purposely escalate the budget proposal so that despite elimination, they can easily achieve what they desire. On the other hand, zero-based budgeting involves a comprehensive analysis of the budget proposal and thus if the managers make immaterial adjustments so as to achieve what they want, are probably exposed. So, these are the differences between traditional budgeting and zero-based budgeting. If this lecture was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.